Alright, I'm suited up to start grinding out all this old fiberglass. Apparently there's a piece of metal under it that used to be a support. You can kind of see a remnant of it a little bit back here as I get closer to the roof vent. She's really rusty. You can kind of, oop, that's looking through. Right there is a piece of it that used to be, but I don't think there's any of it left in most of this where it's been fiberglassed in. You can just tell by the rust color where the old fiberglass has got stained. There's my little puppy dog. What's wrong, girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. She wants to help me, but she's kind of afraid of getting in here. But I don't know if that gives you an idea how rusty and right there, looking inside one of those channels, just nothing left in there. So, and the roof on this thing is all up and down. So the only thing I know to do is like grind that stuff off till I get back to good metal and patch it. But it's